One of the features of GitHub that goes hand in hand with pull requests is issue tracking. So here on the Issues tab, we can track all kinds of issues like bug fixes, new features, enhancements, or any kind of ideas we want to discuss in the team. So let me walk you through a real example. I'm going to create a new issue. We give it a descriptive title like send email when someone signs up. Here we can write more details about this issue. We can also attach files. This is very useful. It's much easier than tossing emails around. So all the details for working on an issue are encapsulated in a single place. Now here we can optionally assign this issue to one or more people if we know ahead of time. If not, people can come in and assign issues to themselves. In this case, I'm going to assign this issue to myself. Okay. Now we can also add labels to this issue. So every Git repository has these labels by default. We have bug, documentation, duplicate, enhancement, and so on. We can also customize these labels. I'll show you how to do that in the next lesson. So let's add enhancement. Now let's go ahead and submit the new issue. All right, here's our issue. On this page, we can have a conversation about this issue. So anyone in the team can come in and leave comments. This is very useful. Now, one thing that I love here is that we can link this issue with a pull request. With this, when we merge and close a pull request, this issue will be automatically closed. We can also assign this issue to a milestone. I'm going to talk about that later in this section. Now, if this issue is not linked to a pull request, we can always come in here and close this issue manually. Now, let's go back to the list of issues. So we have a single issue here that is an enhancement. You can immediately see that I'm working on this issue. This is very useful in Teams. So anyone can come in here and see who is working on what. And if someone doesn't have any work to do, they can always come in here and pick an issue. So I can come in here and assign this issue to myself if it's not assigned to someone else. Now let's go back. Now here we can filter the list by author, label, projects, milestones, assignees, and we can also sort the result in different ways. I'm not going to go through these. They're really simple. You can figure them out on your own. Next, I'm going to show you how to customize the list of labels.